SoundPEATS started in 2010, providing the world with renowned audio equipment. With innovation comes improvement, and they certainly are a brand committed to the pursuit of the ultimate sound experience. And that's why they're hoping their new earbuds this year can further deliver on that promise. These are the SoundPEATS Air4s. They are a set of true wireless non-in-ear earphones with quality sound, eye-catching ergonomics, and some impressive features like active noise cancelling, multi-point connections, and an impressive 30 hours of battery life, and that's just to name a few. All this powered by Snapdragon sound technology. So the burning question is, are they any good? Well, let's first start by unboxing them. The SoundPEATS Air4s come in a minimal white box which includes the earbuds, charging case, a USB-C cable for charging, and your basic user manuals. Like I always say though, with a minimal unboxing experience normally comes an out-of-the-box usage, and these certainly don't fail on that. The SoundPEATS Air4 earbuds boast a sleek and stylish design similar to that of its predecessor, the Air4. The charging case is exquisitely crafted with a minimalistic rectangular shape and smooth curved edges, all coated with an alluring matte black finish. On the bottom of the charging case, we do indeed have USB-C charging for some increased charging speeds. Moreover, the case has a convenient pairing button that allows for seamless connectivity, making it a breeze to use. The earphones are held in place inside the case using magnets, which not only makes it easy to remove them, but also ensures they remain safe and secure when not in use. I have to admit, the earbuds themselves are elegantly designed with a nice matte finish texture. This design not only looks great, but it also guarantees comfort even during extended periods of wearing. The earbuds remain firmly in place during physical activities like biking or running, and their featherweight construction means you may even forget you're wearing them. These earbuds are undoubtedly an excellent choice for anyone looking for a stylish, reliable and comfortable pair. And that's all good and well, but the audio quality needs to deliver, and thankfully these ones do. The Air4 earbuds have Bluetooth 5.3 connectivity, which includes multi-point that enables you to connect to multiple devices simultaneously. This feature is useful when working on both your laptop and phone, as you can easily switch between them. Additionally, the Air4 earbuds have SBC and AAC codecs, as well as aptX lossless for 24-bit 96kHz lossless audio as well. So although your device may not have this at the moment, you are getting some future proofing with these earbuds. If we utilize the application that comes with the Air4s, you really do get a customized experience. The SoundPEATS app offers a custom EQ, a game mode for reducing latency, and adaptive EQ to personalize the overall EQ settings. Adaptive EQ works the same way as others on the market. You listen to a bunch of frequency tones at various loudness and tap the screen if you hear it. Based on the results, the app generates your optimal tuning. This is a really impressive feature as it helps streamline finding the perfect sound for you. Before I did this, the bass was a little too loud for my liking and the treble wasn't great. After performing this task, it is so much more pleasing to the ears. Another great feature is its noise isolation. The Air4s have a moderately good passive noise isolation, but still maintain the ability to allow the user to hear surrounding noise for increased outdoor safety. Also, I can't deny that these really don't have much sound leakage, so people in close proximity shouldn't hear the muffled sound of your tunes blaring out. You can still hear most of the lower and higher frequencies, but are hair muted, meaning that even when you play music, you still have moderately loud background noise. It just gives peace of mind to those who want to stay aware of their surroundings. The Air4s also have active noise cancellation, but because of the semi-open ear design, it really only offers the mere basic experience. The low latency mode of just 88 ms for gaming and video calls comes in handy to create that immersive and engaging gaming experience. You do lose some audio quality, but it certainly is a welcomed bonus. From my experience, the SoundPEATS Air4s lasted around 4 hours with basic music playback. That may sound average, but you are getting another 20 hours inside that charging case. All in all, there is no doubt in my mind that the SoundPEATS Air4s are among the best affordable options on the market currently. Their lightweight design ensures a comfy, secure fit all day long, and with an app companion that provides customizable options and features, well, that's just brilliant. With that said, be sure to check out the earbuds in the link in the description. Let me know what you think, and as always, till next time.